those waves. Oh, heavenly. If I lived by the beach, they would lull me to sleep every night.
Try my best to show you some scenes from Cape May. Hope you enjoy them. We're heading into town, and here's the beautiful horse and carriages that you can go on, and they take you for a tour through Cape May. Oh, and here's the horse and carriage. This one's called the Cinderella horse and carriage. It's for the bride and the groom. Isn't that beautiful? They're off taking a little ride. Look at this one. How adorable. This sort of looks like an old-fashioned horse and carriage. Very nice. We've taken the carriage rides many times. Here I am in the mall in Cape May at the fudge kitchen. Going to give you a little preview of how they make the fudge. Here we are in Cape May, and we have another person here making fudge. Woo, he's putting on a big show for us. This is at the fudge kitchen. Woo, there he goes.
That's pretty cool.
Gotta have muscles to do this. Look at him. Whoa, spinning that fudge. That looks yummy. Wonder if I should go in there and buy some. Yummy, yummy.
Thanks.
Oh, look what he's throwing in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's throwing walnuts in there now? Now he's stirring up those walnuts. I think he's making vanilla walnut fudge. Look at that. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Here we are at Coors Brothers. We can't go down the shore without getting some Coors Brothers ice cream. Let's see what the gang bought. The place is hopping. Everybody's online, waiting for their Coors Brothers ice cream. Oh, I see Jake over there. Look at him. I see Jake over there with a big cone. Woo! And there's Dawn. What color? Oh, what flavor did you get?
Coffee caramel.
Swirl. Where's Kyle? Kyle's over there. That looks good, Jake. What flavor did you get?
Same thing.
Same thing? Oh. This place is hopping. Kyle, what did you get? Kyle, what did you get? Peanut butter. Peanut butter. That's what I like. very noisy in here, but we're on the boardwalk at Jumbo's Grub Pub. Here we are at Jumbo's. The boys are looking at they're looking at their phones. Look, here's Lucas and Aaron. Hi, Aaron. You tired already? Yeah. They're getting their drink. Jake and Kyle. Xoxo over there. Place is a hopping. Look at this big mama of a pie at Jumbo's. Well, it's certainly a jumbo pie. It's 8 slices. It's, I think, what is it, 25 inches? So the boys and 2 of the parents are going to be sharing this. Woohoo! Here's Lucas standing next to the pie. You can see how big it is. Isn't that big, Lucas?
Grandma, watch out.
Wow. Love the arcade. Lucas has a bag full of goodies, and Aaron and his dad are in there collecting tickets. They're flying out of the machine. I don't know how many they have, but I think it's a lot. Here's Dawn. This is her favorite game. What's the name of that game?
It's just the candy wheel.
Candy wheel game. Well, she was here yesterday and won twice.
Yep.
Now she's here tonight and won 2 times again. And these she won on the first try. So this is 4 giant candies. Are you happy, Dawn?
Very happy.
All right. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Here we are, Henna Tattoo. I remember being down here on the boardwalk many years ago, and I got myself a henna tattoo. It was cool. look who I found on the boardwalk. My favorite. Boop boopy doo. Betty Boop. Look at those guys. Just went on the super scooter. It's a bumper car. Let's take a look at how they did. Here we go. Lucas and his dad taking a ride on the bumper cars. Here they go! Woo! Whoa! Woohoo! There they go! Woohoo! Oh no! Woo! Oh no! Look at him laughing. Daddy's laughing. Woohoo! No! Go on! Go! There's a yellow and orange car back there. Oh, I think there's a jam up. Alright, somebody got stuck. Lady's going, to fix somebody. Car got in the way. A loose cannon, a loose car. If you're looking for hermit crabs, you have a big selection on the boardwalk. My, oh my.
Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car,
We're at Maui's doghouse. And look, everybody's got their meal. All kinds of different delights. You got the chili dog, Kyle? And you got a regular hot dog. What did you get, Aaron?
Regular hot dog.
And Jake, you got something with bacon?
Bacon, cheese.
And those, oh, I can't see them. They look good. Fries with bacon?
And cheese.
And cheese? The adults over there got the salty balls. They all got hot dogs except me. The Baking Diva got a hamburger. I wasn't in the mood for a hot dog today. Yes?
Bacon.
Oh wait, let me see that. Where'd you get that?
From my baggie.
Let me see. Hold it up so I can see. Oh look it. They gave Lucas a bacon ring. How
They
cute.
gave me a
Oh,
lollipop.
how nice.
They gave me a red frog.
Wow.
They gave me one of
You got all
those.
these things?
I got a top.
Oh my gosh. Pretty cool.
come in. Well, 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 look who's here. I haven't seen you in many a year. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, baked a cake, baked a cake. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake. How'd you do, how'd you do, how'd you do? Had you dropped me a letter, I'd have hired a band, grand band in the land. Had you dropped me a letter, I'd have hired a band and spread the welcome mat for you. Oh, I don't know where you came from, 'cause I don't know where you've been. But it really doesn't matter, grab a chair and fill your platter and dig, dig, dig right in. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, hired a band. Goodness sake, if I knew you